ECoDAs was created in 2018, and recently we celebrated our 4th anniversary. Our aim is to work with local communities to protect biodiversity and fragile environment in Cameroon. And in 2022, we launched a project in the Mwanyogoba area with funding from the New England Biolas Foundation. This project is aimed at restoring degraded areas of the mountain, educating the communities on the unique value of this landscape, and also providing alternative livelihoods to forest users and poachers.
Can you hear the buzz of the honeybee? There ain't quite as many as there used to be.
You know, this mountain is blessed with a rich biodiversity as well as a beautiful landscape. It also harbors the Mwanyogoba Twin Lakes, which is one of the key touristic areas in Cameroon. And over the years, we have seen how the areas is being degraded by the local communities, actually because of poor conservation education in the area, lack of alternative options, and poverty.
There ain't quite as many as there used to be. So it's time to start making wildlife connections in the water and the sky upon the land. We can do our part to make wildlife connections when nature needs a helping
Educating more than
hand.
1,000 community members on the importance of protecting this ultra-rich biodiversity landscape, the Mwanyogoba, and we have also trained 30 forest users and poachers on beekeeping, that's sustainable beekeeping, and we have provided 10 of these trained beekeepers with bee suits, bee veils, smokers, gloves, and beehives, and we assisted them and provided hands-on training in the baiting and installation of these hives.
From here to here, at 28 kilometers. From here,
There ain't quite as many
that
as
would
there
be
used
probably
to
high.
be.
For here,
Can you feel the bugs beside your feet? There ain't quite as many as there used to be. So it's time to start making wildlife connections in the water and the sky upon the land. We can do our part to make wildlife connections when nature needs a helping hand. Build a box for the bats and a home for the birds, a hotel for the bugs and a heap for the worms. Have a hedgehog away and a pond for the frogs. Do all you can to connect the dots. So it's time to start making wildlife connections in the water and the sky upon the land. We can do our part to make wildlife connections when nature needs a helping hand.
high, do a bend down so. We'll play ice in the walk. We'll play ice in the walk inside the house. Then we do it with gimmicks. No. So that is the of the need to come down. So you see the height, we'll make up for height. You see how the height before.
Leave a log to climb and a rock to crawl. Let the meadow sway and the river flow. Plant the seeds and watch them grow.
And as per vegetable production and agroforestry, we have trained 40 forest users as well on agroforestry, organic vegetable production, and we have provided them with maize seed, vegetable seed, and also we have assisted them in setting up agroforestry farms and vegetable farms.
England Biolab Foundation, they don't provide what we through ECoDAs. We really appreciate their efforts. I would pray say God will give them more initiatives for help us. This project now for alleviate poverty, and most of us in Anglophone area Cameroon, northwest, southwest, we really go through a lot because of this crisis we have. So we really see more things that will come for help us, for sustain our living, for help our family. So once more, I want to thank the new England Biolab Foundation who will help us do that. Thanks.
This we don't make training and the training don't work fine. Or we don't understand things, we don't say we people here play people that are people here. Yes, we don't ask questions, so many questions, we don't answer them. We don't ask you questions, people will answer them. So we don't understand it very well.
Let the meadow sway and the river flow.